Rise and shine, Ecom. Let's see what's going on today. Check my stores. Alright, 6 ROAS on the day, 4 ROAS, 11. Oh, and my ad account's disabled. Great. Thank you so much, Zuck, for disabling my ad account once again.
Hey man, what's going on?
Oh, what's up, man? What's going on?
Alright, man.
Not too bad, man. I've been skilling this winter for months, but, you know, same old ad account issues.
Oh, what happened?
I woke up and literally have like a 6 ROAS, like amazing conversion rate, but that account just got disabled again.
Really? I mean, I had like a 7 ROAS and my product's been fine for like the last 3 weeks.
What's your AOV?
It's 39.
That's my AOV.
Your AOV's 39?
Yeah. What's your CPP?
15.
$15.
$15.
Mine's $14.50.
Bro,
what niche are you in?
health.
Health? Is your website blue?
Yeah.
So is mine.
What are you selling? What are you selling, Corey?
What are you selling, man? I'll tell you if you tell me. Same time? On 3?
On 3, I guess. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Posture corrected. Did you steal my description?
Did you steal my description?
You stole my description. It's right here.
Dude, literally show me your product description right now. I hope you didn't take it.
Right here, man.
Dude, are you freaking kidding me? That's literally my freaking product description. You took it from my website. Look, I'll show you right now.
Bro,
it has my logo in there, man.
Show me your video ad.
Okay.
Show me it. I've been competing with someone for months, and if it's you, show me it.
It's my ad.
My logo's right there.
So this is your ad?
That's my description. Alright guys, that was a pretty good improvised skit we just made real quick down here in the lab. Moral of the story, don't rip descriptions, do not rip video ads.
Be original, guys. Make
Be
your
original
stuff. Make your videos, okay?